Hi everyone. My name is Professor Robert. You're welcome to today's lesson, number 13. And in this lesson, we'll practice uh, power of exponents calculations. Power of exponents. Power exponents. Equations. Equations or expressions. Expressions. Let's look at a number of examples. One, if you're given something like x to the power 5 multiplied by x to the power 7, this is the same as saying x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x to represent x to the power 5 multiplied by x 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 multiplied by x. So this one will give us a total of x to the power 5 plus 7, which will be x to the power 12. Okay, let's look at a second example. If we are given x squared multiplied by y cubed multiplied by x to the power 5 multiplied by y. Now, we need to pick out like terms. These two are like terms. So we have x to the power 2 multiplied by x to the power 5. And then these two are also similar. Multiplied by y to the power 3 multiplied by y to the power 1. But we don't write the 1 there. Now, using the basic rule of um, uh, adding exponents when multiplying, x to the power 2 times x to the power 5 will become x to the power 2 plus 5 multiplied by y to the power 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. And this one will give us the final answer of x to the power 7, y to the power 4. That will be our final answer. So when multiplying out exponents, we just add the exponential values. But supposing we had another example like x divided by y squared, and this is all to the power 5. Now, this means it's x to the power, x is assumed to be to the power 1, so it will be x to the power 1 times 5, which will be 5. And this will be divided by y to the power 2 to the power 5 means y to the power 2 times 5. So this will give us x to the power 5 divided by y to the power 10. As long as y is not equal to 0. So y as a base should never be equal to 0. The reason being, any number divided by 0 is so big that we don't know what it is, and we normally just symbolize it as infinity, as a lying 8. So that's why as long as y is not equal to 0, this is the answer we have for this problem. And then finally, we have number 4. And the number 4 is 5x squared multiplied by y squared. This divided by z cubed. Now, this is a little bit complex, but again, by following our previously learned examples, we can sort it out. So, this becomes 5x 5x squared. Oops, this one was supposed to be to the power 2. Sorry. So this becomes 5x squared to the power 2 multiplied by y squared to the power 2. And this is all divided by z cubed squared. And so this becomes 5 squared, which is 25, multiplied by x to the power 2 squared, which will be x to the power 4, multiplied by y to the power 2 squared, means y to the power 2 times 2, which will be 4. And then this is all divided by z to the power 3 squared, which will be z to the power 3 times 2, which will be 6. Now, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you for learning with me, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.